But what we want to do is we want to get this guy on. This is a bit of a rare item actually. I ummed and ahed about putting this on, and over time I've realised it actually would have been a really good idea to put it on over the trips, because you do need sort of a table or a bit of a raised area, and when I stand up you can see the height isn't perfect, so this will just raise up just a little bit more. But most of the Stabies go for this option, and you can see they do, because if you go under here, I noticed when I used to strap my paddles up under here when I needed paddles, you can see that there's actually pre-drilled holes which fit this starport. You can see those you can see those screws line up perfectly with those holes, so they almost assume that everyone's going to get this option. Yay, there we go. Do I want that? I guess it seals it off. I don't know. I always take them off on the kayak, but because then they're hanging off like that all the time. Maybe I just, you know, I probably will have it on a lot, so I could just do it like that. Oop, almost. Kind of want it lined up with these ones. That seems about right anyway, because then the hole will spill just over the edge of the gunnel. Just firmed in, but not enough to strip the plastic. Hello, Fox. How are you doing? Nice. Well, that went in perfect, didn't it? Perfectly excellent. Steer these little thing knobs up, and you just lock them off. And we have a filleting table. Alright. Loosen up a bit. You can slide it across. How far across would we want it? We'll just have one on for now. But once we tighten it up, it means I can actually add extra little bits and pieces on. Whoa! A bit faster than we wanted it, but we did the job. Nice. Clean that hole up a bit. Oh, milk crate's left some scratches. Guess that's gonna happen. Get a fleef. Oh, actually I left some scratches too. That's alright. It's a cutting board. It's gonna get scratches, that's for sure. But it's looking pretty mint.
Do I help the one?
In.